Understanding, on the lookout. A guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, on the lookout. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. On the lookout means being vigilant or watchful for something or someone. It's used when someone is actively searching or keeping an eye out for something specific. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal reports. It's all about paying attention and being alert. The phrase, on the lookout, has nautical origins. It dates back to the times when sailors had to be constantly vigilant for land, other ships, or dangers at sea. They would station a crew member at the highest point on the ship, often the crow's nest, to keep watch. Over time, this concept evolved into the phrase we use today. Let's see how on the lookout is used in everyday language. 1. I'm on the lookout for a new job. Searching for job opportunities. 2. The police are on the lookout for the missing person. Vigilantly searching for someone. 3. Be on the lookout for our next email update. Stay alert for upcoming information. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in different contexts. While using on the lookout, it's important not to confuse it with similar sounding phrases that have different meanings. For instance, look out, as a warning, or looking forward to, which expresses anticipation or excitement about something upcoming. Context is key in choosing the right phrase. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, on the lookout. Remember, it's all about being vigilant and watchful for something. Keep practicing and using this phrase in your conversations to enhance your English skills. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more learning videos.